Catherine Anselm Gleason, better known as Kate Gleason, was born in November of 1865 in Rochester, New York. In the late 19th century, it is needless to say that Kate grew up in a time when women were not welcomed into the fields of engineering or business, fields which Gleason would later come to dominate. Even as a young child, society's standard for young women becoming prim and proper housewives did not dissuade Kate from pursuing her true passions. At 9 years old, she began reading books about machines and engineering, and would play exclusively with the neighborhood boys, earning her the title of tomboy. She later recalled that those who gave her this title were justified, as she was trying to be nearly a boy as she could. She stated, "Girls in this world were accorded second place, and I resented being second." At 12 years old, Kate stepped up to fill her older brother's position at her family's machine shop after he passed away from typhoid fever. The machine shop was eventually called the Gleason Works. At 14, Kate began doing all of the company's bookkeeping, in addition to working with the tools in the machine shop. At 19, Kate entered the 4-year Bachelor of Engineering program at Cornell's Sibley College of Engineering and Mechanic Arts. Kate was the first woman to study mechanical engineering at Cornell, opening the door for other women, nicknamed Sibley Sues, to later enter the program. Unfortunately, after completing her first year at Cornell, Kate had to drop out of school in order to help her father with the struggling family business. Kate was heartbroken. Finishing the program, which she was the only woman in, meant so much not only to her, but also to society as a whole. Kate later explained that her 1 year at Cornell taught her the essentials of the profession, and she was then able to teach herself the rest. She went on to take some classes at the Mechanics Institute, now known as Rochester Institute of Technology, but never earned a college degree. Kate admitted that a huge driving force in her pursuit of success was proving that she was equally, if not more so, able to perform at the level of the young men that she left behind in college. And she proved just that. Kate put a lot of effort into the Gleason Works company, especially by helping with her father's revolutionary gear cutting machine, the Gleason Gear Planer. She became the company's secretary, treasurer, and primary sales agent, helping Gleason's gear technology become a global success. A Rochester bankruptcy court then appointed Kate to be the receiver of Ingle Machine Company, making her the first woman to be in such a high position. She brought this company out of bankruptcy and into a prosperous business in just under 2 years. Kate's other impressive endeavors included designing, manufacturing, and marketing automobile trailer cars for various transportation purposes, in addition to creating the first camper. She also worked to build factories and affordable housing in East Rochester, designing innovative methods to build cost-efficient houses using concrete. Kate was later appointed to be the president of the First National Bank of East Rochester. She was also the first woman elected into membership of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, in addition to the American Concrete Institute, as well as the German Engineering Society. RIT also named the Kate Gleason Residence Hall and the Kate Gleason College of Engineering in her honor, becoming the first college to be named after a female engineer. Kate's remarkable accomplishments do more than prove her own theory that she could do anything a man could, maybe even better. They also make her an awe-inspiring role model for young girls, especially in STEM, even today. Kate's legacy teaches young girls and women alike to take everything in stride and to use their femininity to their advantage. Kate explained of her early years, "I was a freak. I talked of gears when a woman was not supposed to know what a gear was. It did me much good, for no matter how much men disapproved of me, they were at least interested in seeing me. One distinct advantage I had over the ordinary salesman." We should all learn to appreciate the positives, even in negative situations, just like Kate did, and we should aspire to have the courage similar to hers to create our own paths to success. We could all benefit from living by Kate Gleason's Latin motto, Passum Volo, I can if I will.